So if you have recently picked up an F Series Mini and you went to go look for the dipstick in the car to check your oil, you would notice there's no dipstick in the car. So believe it or not, you gotta check it in your infotainment system inside the car. So let's go ahead and flip the camera around real quick. So here we are inside my 2015 Mini Cooper S. So reasons being why you want to check the oil is just because basically Mini S's have been known and always are known to use oil in one way or another. So the Mini brand in general is known to use oil. So what you're going to have to do, I'm going to be showing you on this, but it's kind of the same as if you have the touchscreen one that has like the weird looking like kind of like side thing that you move. But you're basically just going to find your vehicle info, and then you're going to go to vehicle status, and then you're going to go to engine oil level to be one down. And then here's the very interesting thing. You're going to hit start measurement, and it's going to tell you all this stuff and everything like that. Now, it's not going to let you start measurement if you don't have the car in park, and two, if the car is not up to running and warm temperature. So your two things you're going to have to do: one, start the car and let it idle for about 3 minutes. Two, which is what I do, start the car, take it on a drive. I started the car and went ahead and took it on a little bit of a drive down the street, maybe about 3 minutes, and it'll let me do it. If it does not let you do this and it's grayed out, it's because the car is not at operating temperature to be able to check the oil. You then must hit start measurement, at which point a loading will come up. The car will go up to about 1100 RPMs. That is completely normal. It is part of the process. So now you just got to sit here and wait until it finishes. So it will continue to go up. It takes about a minute or two, and this will pop at the end. You can see it is a bar that indicates this is your min and this is your max. Mine's in the middle. So a good thing here and a good rule of thumb is, just to let you know, if you're at the minimum bar, it is 1 quart of oil to go to max. So if you're here, buy a quart of oil and add a quart of oil. If you're middle like me, that tells you that it is half of a quart of oil. That's what that tells you. So I will need to get out and add half of that quart of oil that I have down there in the floor, and that will make it back to max. Now, the negative part to the car not having a dipstick is the fact being that because there's no dipstick, that then means once you add the oil in, you then have to get back into the car, start the car, and the car has to be at temperature, which it usually is anyway because it's still hot, for you to go ahead and start another measurement to make sure you're at the maximum oil. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it helped, and I'll see you guys next time.